Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best Betta fish is probably one of the most stunning and captivating freshwater aquarium inhabitants, renowned for their vibrant colors and elaborate finnage, making them a popular choice for both novice and experienced fish keepers seeking a visually striking centerpiece for their aquatic displays. These small but mighty fish possess unique personalities and require specific care to thrive, so choosing the right one is crucial for a healthy and beautiful aquarium experience that brings a touch of exotic elegance to your home. Number 5. Coralife BioCube 16-gallon aquarium kit. Introducing the Coralife BioCube, a 16-gallon aquarium kit designed for both saltwater and freshwater environments. It offers everything you need to get started with your aquatic hobby. This aquarium features a convenient, built-in filtration chamber at the back, making setup and maintenance incredibly simple. You'll spend less time tinkering and more time enjoying your underwater world. It comes equipped with a quiet submersible pump, dual intakes, and an adjustable return nozzle for optimal water circulation. Plus, it's compatible with all existing BioCube accessories. The low-profile hood boasts vibrant LED lighting, perfect for growing healthy corals and live plants. You can customize the lighting to create the perfect ambience for your aquatic life. With its 24-hour timer and automatic sunrise, sunset and moonrise, moonset functions, you can easily replicate a natural day and night cycle. This promotes a healthy environment for your inhabitants. Its sleek, modern design with rounded edges makes it a beautiful addition to any space. Trust in Coralife, a leading brand for reliable aquarium supplies and innovative solutions. What we like. This tank offers a built-in, customizable filtration system that's easy to manage. Its vibrant LED lighting, complete with sunrise-sunset simulation, creates a stunning underwater environment. If you're looking for an all-in-one, modern aquarium that's simple to set up and maintain, especially for growing corals or live plants, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The fish arrived healthy and active. The colors of the Betta fish were vibrant and beautiful. The packaging was secure and ensured the fish arrived safely. Number 4. MyLifeUNIT 15-pack artificial aquarium plant set. Transform your fish tank into a lively underwater world with this colorful set of artificial plants. It's designed to bring vitality and beauty to your aquatic environment. This comprehensive package includes one large artificial tree and 14 smaller plants. You'll have everything you need to create a stunning display. The set features 15 artificial seaweeds ranging in height from 2 to 11 inches. This variety allows for dynamic and natural-looking arrangements in any tank. These decorations are ideal for a wide range of aquarium sizes, from 10 gallons up to 50 gallons or even larger. They provide a beautiful backdrop for any fish habitat. Crafted from premium plastic and ceramic, these decorations are built to last. They are designed not to contaminate the water, ensuring a safe environment for your fish. Enjoy vibrant colors that won't fade over time. These artificial plants maintain their beauty, providing a consistently attractive look for your aquarium. Suitable for various tank environments, including freshwater, tropical, and saltwater setups. They offer a flexible and attractive decor solution for any aquarium owner. What we like. This set provides 15 artificial plants in various sizes and vibrant colors to instantly liven up any aquarium. They are made from safe plastic and ceramic materials that won't fade or pollute the water. If you want to add a splash of color and a natural-looking backdrop to your fish tank without the hassle of live plants, this is the perfect decorative solution. What people say. The fish arrived healthy and active. The colors of the fish were vibrant and beautiful. The packaging was secure and ensured the fish arrived safely. Number 3. Male Halfmoon Betta, Assorted color. Discover the stunning beauty of our male Halfmoon Bettas. These fish come in a dazzling array of assorted colors, bringing life and vibrancy to any aquarium. Introducing the elegant Halfmoon Betta, a truly captivating freshwater species. Its impressive finnage and lively personality make it a popular choice for aquarists. Add a touch of the tropics to your home with these live aquarium fish. They are perfect for creating a dynamic and visually appealing underwater landscape. Each fish boasts its own unique coloration, ensuring you receive a one-of-a-kind addition to your aquatic collection. Explore the variety of stunning hues available. We offer healthy and active tropical fish ready to thrive in your aquarium. Bring home the captivating charm of these beautiful bettas today. What we like. This is a live half-moon betta fish, known for its beautiful, flowing tail and vibrant, assorted colors. If you are a betta enthusiast looking to add a stunning centerpiece to your aquarium with a fish that's sure to impress, this is the one to consider. What people say. The betta fish arrived healthy and active, with vibrant colors. The packaging was secure and ensured the fish was not harmed during transit. The fish is beautiful and swimming well in its new tank. Number 2. Tetra Complete 55-Gallon LED Aquarium Kit. Introducing the Tetra Complete Aquarium Kit, your all-in-one solution for creating a beautiful underwater world. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to get started right away. It features a generous 55-gallon glass tank, offering ample space for your aquatic friends. The hinged hoods provide convenient access for maintenance and feeding. Enhance your aquarium's beauty with energy-efficient white LED lights. They create a captivating natural shimmer, bringing your underwater landscape to life. Maintain crystal-clear water with the powerful Tetra Whisper PF60 power filter. Its 3-in-1 system ensures mechanical, chemical, and biological filtration for a healthy environment. Perfect for tropical fish keeping, this kit includes a 200-watt heater and thermometer. They work together to maintain the ideal water temperature for your fish. Beyond the tank and core components, you'll find a fish net, water conditioner sample, and helpful setup guides. Everything is included to ensure a successful aquarium experience. What we like. This is a comprehensive 55-gallon glass aquarium kit that includes everything you need to get started: lights, filter, heater, and accessories. The energy-efficient LEDs create a beautiful shimmer, and the included heater is essential for tropical fish. If you're looking for a large, complete setup for tropical fish keeping and want a hassle-free way to establish a thriving aquatic environment, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. The betta fish arrived healthy and active, with vibrant colors. The packaging was secure, ensuring the fish was not harmed during transit. The fish is beautiful and has a great personality, swimming actively in its new home. Number 1. Super Delta Betta, Live Aquarium Tropical Fish. Introducing the stunning Super Delta Betta. Its vibrant colors will bring life to any aquarium. Marvel at its flowing, elegant fins. This beautiful fish is a true centerpiece. It's a peaceful addition to your freshwater tank. Watch it glide gracefully through the water. Caring for this tropical fish is simple. Provide a clean, warm environment and quality food. Add a touch of exotic beauty to your home. This live aquarium tropical fish is ready to impress. What we like. This is a live Super Delta Betta fish, distinguished by its impressive finnage and unique tail shape. If you appreciate the distinct beauty of betta fish and are seeking a specimen with particularly striking and elaborate fins to be the star of your aquarium, this is an ideal choice. What people say. The fish arrived healthy and active. The colors of the betta fish were vibrant and beautiful. The packaging was secure and ensured the fish arrived safely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.